Hi, Jerry Pacella, MarineMax Copeg. Welcome on board the all-new Boston Whaler 19 Montauk. Let's take a walk to the bow. The first thing you'll notice about this boat is it has a split bow rail. That gives you easy access when you're boarding the boat from the bow or going to the beach when you want to get off, and even anchoring. It makes it a little simpler. These boats come with a split cushion, so it's easily opened to access the anchor locker. So that's the anchor locker on a 19. The boat also comes with a built-in fish box. It drains directly overboard. It's also insulated because the boat is completely foam filled, as all Boston whalers are. So that fish box would be an insulated box as well. Moving aft, we have a fishing package on this boat. So you have 4 rod holders with a backrest, a cooler, and on the starboard side, tackle storage. The console is large and it gives you plenty of room to mount a GPS fish finder system. The back-to-back seat can face forward, and you could sit and run the boat sitting down as such. Can actually go face aft. But the other nice thing about this backrest is it'll lock in this position so you can stand and run the boat as well. Further aft, we have a tow bar on this boat. Great option. Don't see it too often, but it's a super option for this boat. I like it for getting on and off the boat, as well as a very functional piece. You can see there's compartments, port and starboard. As well, this boat is a self-bailing boat. So if you're hosing the boat out, you'll see the scuppers on the starboard side and on the port side. This boat's also equipped with a stereo, and we have 2 speakers aft and 2 speakers on the console. So it's a 4-speaker stereo system. We've also optioned this boat with a back cushion seat and backrest. When you take the backrest out, that exposes the rod holders, so if you wanted to put the backrests away, you could add additional rods in the aft. Well, come down to Copeg and check out the all-new Boston Whaler 19 Montauk.